welcome to Very Online. I'm Emmy, and where did my partner go? Where's Patricia? Where is she? Oh my goodness, you scared me for a second. Can you come sit down, please?
Sorry, I just wanted to do a little trick there. Hello, everybody. Hi, I'm Patricia. Hello. And I'm back at Berry Online.
Ooh, and so today we're going to do something new. We're gonna make some crafts. So it's craft time with Emmy and Patricia. So
I was trying to.
so we are going to make, drum roll please.
I actually don't know what we're gonna do.
We're going to make some origami. So
Am I gonna be doing it too?
Of course you are.
I'm terrible.
I'm gonna help you. So,
I'm terrible, you guys. But I do want to. Oh my goodness, is that what we're gonna make? Oh, it's a chicken.
No.
No. Oh, it's a dog. Oh, it's so cute.
So this is the easy origami, and this is just a bit difficult. So
that's so
bunny,
cute.
hop, hop, hop
Like a bunny.
hop, hop, hop like a bunny, hop, hop, hop.
Yay! So
we are going to need some origami paper and a marker to draw the animal's eyes. So these origamis are the animal version. Yeah, animal version part 1. All right, so are you ready, Patricia?
You know what, guys? To be honest, I'm not good at origami. But these does look cute. So I do want to give it a try. Oh, sorry. Oops. I do want to give it a try. Because they're so cute. Right, will you help me, Emmy?
Yes, I will.
Okay. I'll try my best. I'll try my best to do it. So I just have to try and pay attention to what Emmy is doing.
So you can pick a color, whichever color you want.
Which one are we doing first?
We're gonna do the dog first because it's the easy one.
The dog one first.
Oh.
Okay. I want the dog to be a bit funky, so.
Ooh, green.
Yeah, that's what I was
like
thinking.
An alien.
That's
dog.
what I was thinking. I'll do a green dog. Ooh. Okay.
All right.
So where do I put this in? Here?
So here we can show them how to make it as well.
Are you gonna do it with me too?
Yes, I will. I'm going to make the dog.
Like a funky one.
Clifford, the big red dog.
Oh my god!
The red
Yeah.
one. Okay.
Oh, cool.
So the first step is to put it into a diamond shape like this, and then we put it here, and we're going to fold it in half like this. So make sure, Patricia, that the ends meet.
Oh, okay. Alright, I'm doing what Emmy's doing. Just paying attention to it.
Fold it like this.
You think?
Until you have this, a triangle. Woo.
Oh wait, the ends doesn't meet. This is hard.
You're okay, Patricia, you can do it. It doesn't have to be perfect.
Okay. Like this?
So, yeah, until you have a triangle shape like this.
Okay.
And then now we're going to make the dog's ears. So you have to fold this side.
Which one?
So you have to fold the right part.
This way.
So the right part.
So would it
and
help
the
if we
left
just
part.
do it like this, Amy?
I think
Downwards?
Yeah.
So okay, let's put our triangle
Our-
downwards. And then
We're going to fold the ears like this. So one on this side and one on this side.
oh, okay.
So it doesn't matter if it's facing downwards. some dogs have their ears downward like this, right? Some have it on their sides. So it's up to you, really.
Mine's kind of sharp.
Woo! So this is how it looks like.
Hey.
So these are the dog's ears. And then we're going to fold the dog's back. Okay, ready? Are you ready?
Grab this part.
Okay,
Down
so
here.
you're going to grab this part down here and you're going to fold it into a triangle. A small triangle like this. And you see this is the back part. And you also have to fold it the same way as you folded the first small triangle in front.
Like that.
Yes. And then now you have to make the dog's nose.
No.
Is it complete?
No.
No.
Not yet. Don't think
Okay, so now you're just going to have to fold this one. This
The small triangle.
Yeah, the small triangle that is white.
Uh-huh.
You're going to fold it downwards.
Oh.
So you're going to have a nose.
Triangle.
A teeny tiny nose like that.
Like this, Emmy.
Yeah, like
Oh,
that,
yeah,
Patricia.
I did it.
And I'm going to use, I'm going to
Yay.
get my marker. And I'm going to draw the dog's eyes.
Ooh, that's so cute. Can I do my own version? Can I,
Yeah.
like, make the eyes different?
Yeah, you can make the eyes different. It's up to you.
Oh, okay. Maybe I'll add a bit of whisker.
Mm.
What? I don't know if I can do it. Let's try. Okay, I'm gonna make some funky eyes.
This is my dog, Clifford, the big red dog.
Clifford! Oh my god, have you guys seen that show? It's amazing. I used to love it as a kid.
Ooh,
I don't know
wonder
it-
what
I don't know.
Patricia. Oh, that looks like a cute dog.
I don't know if
A
I can make
funky,
the
cute
whisker.
dog.
No, never mind.
All
And
right.
this is mine. This is mine. Oh, I know. their ears, sometimes they flop around when they run, do they? Depending on one. I love this. Thank you for teaching me, Amy.
You're welcome. Are you
Yeah.
ready to make the next one?
It's the next one, the hard one.
It's not really hard. It's a bit hard.
Okay, so it's a challenge.
Yes.
And I do love them. So I'm gonna
Ooh.
do it.
Alright, so this is our next origami. This is a
Cute.
rabbit. Yay! So this one requires a lot of folding. So are you ready for this challenge, Patricia?
Yes, I
Are you
am.
ready?
Okay, yes. But you guys,
Okay.
I need your help too at home, okay? Need you to cheer on me.
And so you can pick another color for the bunny.
Oh dear.
We have blue, we have green, we have pink, and we also have a peach one.
Oh, you have the peach one.
Okay.
Thank you.
I'm going to make the bunny a blue bunny.
Cute. Oh, lots of folding.
Ooh,
I'm excited to try.
right. It's already March, Patricia, right?
Mhm.
So, what happens in March? There are bunnies and eggs. What do you call them again?
Yeah, I know. Oh, I know this.
Like we tried to find some eggs.
Ah! Is that that event that we call Easter?
Yeah.
Ah!
Right.
Oh. In honor of Easter, we're making some bunny. Origami bunny.
So, are you ready for the next challenge?
Sure thing.
All right. So, Let us put- let us put our origami paper like a diamond shape again, like this. And then we're going to fold it in half into a triangle, like this.
Oh.
Like this. Okay?
There you go.
And then, ooh, going to fold this part. This part.
Which part?
And to make it like a boat shape.
Oh.
See?
So like this. I'll show them on the front part. Like this? Right?
Yes.
Like this?
Yeah.
Okay. I'll try to do it straight. Like this. Oh, that does look like a boat. Cool. Okay.
Okay. And then now, next up is we're going to fold the rabbit's ears. Here. So you're going to fold the right side. This.
The right.
The
Wait,
right,
what?
The right side.
Okay. Ah!
And the left side. So,
Into another diamond shape.
yeah, into another diamond shape.
Okay, so this and this here. Ooh.
If the bunny's ears aren't the same length, I think it's
This here.
okay because some bunnies don't have.
Ah, mine is definitely not in the same length. Look at that. One is longer than the other, and one is fatter than the other two.
Mine too. Cute one.
Cute though.
Yay.
I like it.
And next, so do you see this diamond shape here? Yes.
Oh.
You do? Oh. So now.
Oh wait, Amy. So, the diamond shape.
Yeah, the diamond
Also, not
shape.
this part. The one
The one at the back.
behind, at
Yeah,
the back.
behind.
So I have to flip.
And now I'm going to fold this.
Ah,
to,
inwards.
Yeah, inwards. So like this. Yeah. To make the rabbit's face.
Oh.
Because I don't think rabbits have diamond face shape.
I know they don't. They're really chubby chicks and really cute.
Yeah. So now it will be like this. And now I'm going to draw the bunny's face.
I might have
Folded
folded too.
I think it's okay.
Is that okay?
Okay.
Is it
Yeah.
okay?
I think I'm going to use my pen now to draw the bunny's ears.
Oh,
Yay.
cute.
Bunny, 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 bunny.
What do you think this
Bunny,
looks like?
bunny, bunny, bunny.
Yeah, you think it looks okay? Oh, thank you. Aww. Yeah, it's not perfect, but it's still good, isn't it? I'm happy I'm trying it out. Oh, Amy's one is so cute. Wow, Amy, that looks so good.
Look!
Look how cute that is. Aww.
So I have the ears. I drew the ears. I drew the bunny's eyes and the bunny's nose.
Okay, now it's my time. Okay.
You want to see it? Closer. 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 Do you want to see it? Yes? Oh, you can't see that because it's too small, huh? Okay. You want closer? 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 Closer!
Oh, so cute. What a cute bunny. Oh.
I want to see yours, Patricia. Can I see yours?
Yeah. Ta-da! This is mine. You want to see? Yeah, mine kind of looks like a cat. But I did have fun making it though, so it doesn't matter. Thank you, Amy, for teaching me.
You're welcome. So these are the origamis that we made. So here's a green alien dog. And here's a blue bunny. And a normal dog. A
And
yellow one.
Clifford, the big red dog.
And a pink bunny.
And a peach bunny, my bunny that kind of looks like a cat.
So
Yay.
I hope you liked this video, the origami craft time. And I think you can also make this with your mummies and daddies.
And home.
So yeah, I hope you had fun with us, and thanks for watching.
See you.
See you.